This is Cuisinart's 350-watt blender that allows me to make soups, smoothies, and chop and mince veggies and spices. The set comes with a 32-ounce glass blending jar and cover that can easily be inserted and removed. The blending unit itself is operated by three buttons to control the pulse rate and blending speed. We also have a bunch of travel cups that come with lids. I've got two of the four 16-ounce cups here, but also included is a smaller 8-ounce one that also comes with a lid. And we also get two types of blades. Today, I'm going to show you how to use this blender to make yummy homemade ice cream. The flavor of the day is mango, but you can put any type of chopped frozen fruit into the blender. Or if you prefer, you can simply add cocoa powder for a chocolate flavor ice cream. Make sure your frozen fruit is chopped into pieces. I think these mango pieces are slightly on the large size, and for shorter blending time, I would recommend your fruit to be about half or a third of the size that I have here. Next, add some fresh whipping cream. When you're ready to start blending, make sure the blending cover is on, including the plastic piece. Then all you need to do is press the pulse button and choose a speed. I'm going to opt for high speed. When the blender is on, it will be a bit noisy while it is blending. At first, the blender will blend slowly as it captures the chunks of fruit to blend. Eventually, you'll see the fruit and cream start blending together into a more cohesive mixture. And if your pieces are too big, you may need to occasionally stop the blender and use a long spoon to move the pieces around so they don't get stuck around the blades at the bottom. Also, if the mixture gets too thick, you may need to add a bit more cream to keep blending. Once everything is well blended, all you need to do is scoop the mixture into a container. Add any extras like sprinkles, additional fruit, or if you want chocolate chip, you can add that as well. And then pop it into a freezer for a couple of hours. And here's what the mango ice cream looks like. It scoops exactly like ice cream you would find in the store. It has a creamy texture and it tastes absolutely delicious, all made from a Cuisinart blender.